Hi everyone, I'm here to do a best and worst 2018 luxury purchases. So if you guys are interested to see what I have picked, please keep on watching. So I figured that I'd start the video with the worst and then finish off with the best. So I don't have a lot of worst purchases, and it's not really like worst purchases, it just didn't really work out for me specifically. So we'll start off with these Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. They just don't think they worked for my face. I'll try it on so you guys can see. I don't know, I just feel like they make my cheeks emphasized and rounder, and I don't like how they touch my cheeks so much, and it's just so close to my face just because it's so like curved. I don't know, so just didn't work out for me. So I gave it to my mom and she absolutely loves it. She has like a skinnier face than I do, so it works better for her. My next one are these Prada espadrilles. They didn't really work out for me. I wore it like once or twice maybe, and I stepped on something there. Ugh. But yeah, and I have pretty skinny feet, and this part just keeps on rubbing on top of it, and I don't know how to fix that. I mean, it's leather interior, so I don't know, it just didn't really. I tried to wear it again one time and I just was not trying to live with that pain for the rest of the day. So, and my next one, it's not really a worst purchase or even a regret. I actually love this bag, but I am not rich to just have a bag that I love sitting on my shelf. So with that being said, I would have to put this item in this category, which is my Chanel Rainbow Purple Double Carry Handbag, crossbody bag. It's absolutely stunning. It's in perfect condition. I probably used it once or twice, but honestly, that's why it's not really in the best purchases, because I did not end up using it at all. I didn't really get to use out of it, and that's because I am so paranoid and I was so scared, and I have two little boys that are clumsy and don't really pay attention what they're doing, so it's just costs too much to just have that worry over my head all the time. So I am selling this handbag. If you guys watched my collection video, I am selling this beautiful piece. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave my email down below. So my camera's about to die, so let's move on with my best purchases. And I'd have to say it would be this Gucci sunglasses. I just love how it sits on my face. It doesn't hit my cheeks. And I love the oversized look, and this green and red on the sides right here. I just love this. It looks so cute. I love this. And this is style I can't see this. What's going on? 0036S. It's a style GG0036S. Beautiful. My next one would have to be my Louis Vuitton bum bag, and it's absolutely so practical. I used it a bunch of times. I've used it from like ever since I got it until I think now. I'm still using it now, but I wore it non-stop for 2 months straight ever since I got it, and it's absolutely amazing. It goes with everything, well, that I have styled it with. I'm sure not everybody would agree, but I wear it with everything. It's absolutely amazing. I love how squishy it is. It fits a ton, and it doesn't look too overpowering against my frame. So yeah, and I'm 5 foot nothing, so it's not too big for me, but I'm also like on the bigger scale of clothing. So but yeah, I absolutely love this bag. It's beautiful. My next best purchase is probably totally disgusting. It's my Kenzo espadrilles, and these are in the black and white. I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but it's also like It's lined in the inner leather, and then the base, the sole is like something else. So I'd have to look up what this is. But look at it, the bottom is still clean, and because it's white, it's dirtier than I would want. But I absolutely worn this to death, and it still looks pretty good. I love that bag. And my next one is fairly new, and you guys saw me unbox it, but I would have to say I absolutely love this piece, and I will never get rid of this bag. And that would be my Chanel Cruise 2015 chevron single flap in the small size. And I absolutely love this. I adore this bag, and I should have sprayed it with like a Scotch Guard or Apple Guard to prevent any like staining. I mean, the back is okay still, but any further. And I love it. I can wear a single strap, or I can wear it as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, clutch, because it's small enough. I feel like I could wear it as a clutch. But yeah, I absolutely love this. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Those are my best and not the best purchases of 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.